Be nice to your sister. River, where are your glasses? I left them in the room. You woke us up. Okay, sorry. Emari sleeping, and Nora, you're playing like Roblox. Okay, well, I'm gonna go downstairs and make breakfast. I think I'm just gonna like watch them because I need the break too. Oreo. Did anyone of you guys feed Oreo? No, I thought you were gonna do it. Sorry. I'll just sit down. Guys, I'm gonna go downstairs. Don't mess with anything in my room. Okay, I'm gonna ask Dad. Dad? Yes, sweetie? Can my friend come over? Which one? Does it matter? Excuse me? Ashley. I don't know. You have to ask your mother. Dad. This thing's gonna go and ask your dad, ask your dad, ask your dad, ask your mom, ask your mom. Can I go? Can she come? Sure. Go ahead. Okay. Yes, let's go. Let's go! And Dad, have you came up with a name for the baby yet? Yes, but we're not gonna tell you. Okay, Oreo. Yes, but we're not gonna tell you. Of course you're not. Anyways, I'm gonna go make food. I'm hungry. Okay. And sorry if the house parts that I made, I'm sorry if they're not really good. Okay, chill. Who is this? I'm your mom's friend. What's your name then? I have a gift for you. For me? Yes, for you. You don't even know my name. Oh my gosh, yes I do. Your mom told me. Then where does my mom work? The central office of the city of Tokalife. Okay, didn't you do know? Okay, what type of gift? Christmas gift. But it's the beginning of August. It's almost Halloween. What? This is a little sus. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Okay, well, you still didn't answer. What's my name? Nora. Why do you sound skeptical? I don't know. But your name is Nora. What time do I have to come out and get the gift? Soon. Okay, God. Bye. That was so weird. Oh. Whatever. Just gonna make some breakfast. What should I eat for breakfast? Guess Daddy's gonna come down soon, so I'll just warm up the baby's bottle. Okay. Then I guess for breakfast, I'll have a waffle. Because I'm not really that hungry. And while that's cooking, I guess I'll take the baby bottle out. And why is our souvenir in the kitchen? It should be outside. Okay, and then I should get like a plate. Then I'll just move this drain. Oh my gosh. Then I'll fill it up with some water. Okay, and then my waffle should be done. Turn this off, turn the water off. Then I'll obviously put some. First, I'll put some jam on it because I love jam on like my pancakes. Guys, this is just an excuse to get rid of all this food. Okay. I guess I should be a nice sister and make them some food. Psych! Okay. Okay, now I'm done. Now I guess I have to wait for my stomach to settle. I guess I'll just watch my favorite TV show, because this isn't gonna stay. I have to move this couch over. Okay. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay, well, let's see what's going on in the town of Snowville. Toka Boka. Are you kidding me? Ooh, this actually looks really good. Don't let the mom out. I get the mom. Okay, kids, sit down. So sister didn't make y'all any breakfast. Sorry isn't gonna help. Also, guys, sorry if I say something wrong in English. I also speak Spanish, so sorry. So, I'm assuming that you guys like avocado toast. Yes, Dad. Yes, I like avocado toast, but I want avocado toast. Okay, I'm assuming you want algae then. Oh, algae? No, Dad. What are you on? I'll just make you something like special, I guess. Guess I'll just give you a strawberry. Oops. Gotta wash it off. Anyways, wash. Here you go. River! Oh my gosh. River! Sorry, Dad. I was just trying to hide. It's okay. Why'd I give you glass? Okay, I guess I'll just wash these dishes. Okay. This is done. Dad, can we go watch Inside Out too? So we're not wasting money on theaters, especially when your mom can give birth at any point in time. But Dad, everyone in my class has watched it. This week, school's starting in 3 days. 2, actually. I doubt you know who's in your class. Whatever, Daddy. It's not fair. Always say something isn't fair. I'll talk to your mom about it. Yay! Dad, I heard everything. You watch this every day. Let's watch something new for once. Let's watch your mom's yoga channel. No, Mom's gonna kill us. Let's just watch this. Okay. We should make a plan. Like what? My Dad's never gonna let us watch the movie. Yes, he will. Follow me. Dad, we're just gonna go upstairs. Okay. Come on, Bubba. anyways. Yeah, the movie starts at 12:30 today. Why don't we just ask Dad if we could go get our face painted? That's gonna be a no. Sissy, it's fine. Let's just paint and let's just use our crayons. The watercolor twins. Okay. But we're gonna need some water. Okay, well let's just put our pencils. Twins, okay. Who are you gonna be? I wanna be Envy. Envy. That's good. I'll be Angers. Okay. Let's go get some water. Hey kids, what are you doing? Just getting some water. Dad, can you get our water cups up there? Sure, what color? Blue. Okay, then I'll fill it up for you guys. Okay, you guys can barely see the water, but there. Here, sweetie, watch whatever you want. I'm reading a magazine. Say what you want. Okay, now Mom has to let us. I'll do your face paint first. Okay. Dip. Oh, wait, you should probably take your glasses off. Okay, dip. Envy. Okay. We should probably look up pictures of Envy. Oh, here we go. A little bit here and done. Let me see. I look so good. And you want to be anger? Okay. Let me put the crayons back in. Okay. Okay, take your pashy out. Okay, I took my dummy out. Anger. You know what anger looks like because I feel him all the time. I feel anger most of the day. Okay, then just a little bit more. Then just a little bit more there. And you're done. Let me see. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. We look so funny. Okay, let's go show Daddy. Daddy's gonna get mad at us. No, he won't, because we're really cute. Yeah, you're right. Okay, let's go. Oops. Careful. Shall we? Dad, look. Oh my gosh. What? We're really sorry. This is gonna be funny. Oh my gosh. Why on earth would you kids do that? Okay, well, we're sorry. We just want to see the Inside Out movie. Fine. I'll be disgust. Turn this TV off though. I should have been anger. The Sigma. So you know, Inside Out 2 came out like a little bit ago. And I like watched it a couple weeks ago. But also, idea from Toka Alice. Okay. Let me get some clothes on, I guess. What should I wear, though? I could be Fear. Yeah, I don't have any purple clothes. This is the closest thing to purple I have. Wait, I have a suit. It's kind of the only suit I have because I don't buy suits. But I think it's pretty dang good. Babe, wake up. Yes. We should take the kids to go see Inside Out 2. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes! Slay, soul sister, slay that sister, mister on the right. Okay, who should this be? I mean, she looks like she would be Joy, so we can let him be Joy. Joy's a girl. So... True. Okay, let me just turn the baby monitor off. Okay. He should have been okay in his sleep. But who am I gonna be? Disgust? No. I'm Disgust. Okay. You can be Anxiety. I think they might have some. No. You could just be Disgust. Why don't you be Joy and she can be Disgust? Okay, let me just go do my hair. Come on, guys, let's do our hair. Oh, the dreadful part. I'm just gonna put like a bald cap on you. Okay. Then I'm gonna cut a little bit at the top, so it looks like you're bald, but you're not gonna really be bald. You'll have hair sticking out the top. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, kids. I'll do you first, and I actually have paint. I'll do your paint later. What's up, brother? I know. Okay. Fear has anger has you're lucky I have some extra hair dye. And don't worry, it's not permanent or anything. Gosh. Okay, come on. A little envy. So you could just use my hairbrush. I think I have some purple hair dye. I'm not sure, but I'm not negative. Just throw that away. This basket because we don't need it. I guess I'll just put this broom somewhere later. Okay. Well, let's just keep brushing. Don't drink the water. Sorry. Okay. And then we gotta go shopping for clothes. There you go. And then who's next? You. Who are you? Disguised. Obviously. That's why you're mad. Okay. Let me just do here. Bow wow wow. Bam 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 bam. Bow wow wow baby. Be sweet. Come on, chill. Oh yeah, sorry. Bow wow wow. Bow wow wow. Bow 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 bow. Wow wow. Okay, done. How do I look? We all look good. Now let's go.
freaking dog
Let's go.
bit me again.
Let's go, like, get some clothes.
Huh?
Okay. I don't know what this dude is doing in my house. Let's go. Oh, sorry for the background noise. My dog bit my grandma. Daddy doggy. Oh, sorry. Or car. Let me go get we can take Marbark and Gnome. We're gonna put some Hunt Sanitizer on butter. Never mind. Ugh, whatever. Oh! Scrum, yum, a burger. And guys, we'll get snacks there, like chill out. Need to go get some clothes. So. Okay, mommy, we're here. Stop talking like Peppa Pig. Okay. Hi there. Hi. Hello. Do you have any Inside Out 2 clothes? Yes, we do. Okay. Do you have any children Inside Out 2 clothes? Unfortunately, we do. Yes, we do. Okay, let's go. Let's go. But there are only ones. Okay, lady. Gosh. Gosh. This is perfect. Oh, I should probably not try it on there. I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, found my dress. Ma'am, can you get this dress up here? I want to see what it is. Sure. I forgot I could do that. Here. Let me see. Yeah, this might look good on me. I'll put this in there. Also, I chose this one, guys, because the other ones are ugly. Okay, what about those, like, 2 kid clothes? These? And your stories. Okay, let me just pick them. You can't stack kids' clothes. It's not fair. Okay, here you go. Who's the baby gonna be? Joy Jr. But it's a boy. Are you assuming my baby's gender? Okay, that was so weird. I don't know why I just did that. Got dark in here, so I'm probably gonna turn some lights on. Okay. Oh, we're gonna go try on now. Let's go back. Try on the dress. Yep. Okay, just put it in, like there. Okay, boy, go in there. Yep. Okay. Wait. Or does, I know it does. Like brow. I already know it does. It fits so perfect. I love it. Okay, I think everyone tried it on. Let's go check out. Okay, we got all the Inside Out clothes. Scan. Thank y'all. Oh no, wait, I didn't get my suit. Gonna get my suit. Yeah, hang on. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Yay. We'll just go backstage and change. Hi, miss. Can we get Inside Out 2 tickets for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Family of 6, 2 adults, 2 toddlers, 1 baby, 1 inside my girl's tummy. Really? Sorry. Okay. Any snacks? Just a couple sodas, please. Okay. Blue, yellow, pink. And then anything else? Potato chips. Whatever this is. Take potato chips and whatever that is. Thank you. And I'll pay this card. Thank you. Oh yeah, can we change in the back? Because we didn't want to change in the mall. Yeah, go ahead. Let's go. Oops. Jump scare. Everyone, get out. We're changing, get out. Okay, Jesus. Yeah, take your child inside. Done! Okay, just go watch me get off the stage. It's free. Everyone sit. Zone. Kids there. Kid.